Why do you travel? My favorite thing to explore is food.
Join me, Kate Hardie-Buckley, as I take on a challenge from a local chef to find the best ingredients for a very special dinner.
I'm in Istanbul, and I'm here to explore one of the great food cultures of the world. This colorful city is split between 2 continents, and it's seen the rise and fall of 3 empires.
And the ingredients and culinary practices from these civilizations over time mixed and evolved into modern Turkish cuisine.
I'm going to meet Kemal Demirasal, a former professional windsurfer who now likes to take his diners on a culinary history tour.
Right now, where I will take you is the spice market.
Never one to turn down an adventure, Kemal has no set menu in mind for us, but instead wants to collect a range of ingredients we can explore in his test kitchen.
Anatolian or the Ottoman cuisine, whatever you call it, we use lots of dried fruits with the meat dishes or with, rice dishes.
We've come to one of Kemal's sources of inspiration, the Ottoman-era spice bazaar, first opened in 1660.
Sumac, let's start with this. And cumin. We should get isot, za'atar, cinnamon, see where we'll end up.
And what kind of stuff do you do when you're experimenting in your test kitchen?
Something that doesn't even look like a dish to you, but then the taste works out there, and then you find a way to make it into a plate.
Is there anything else I need to do?
You should have an idea how the best baklava is made. And second one, to find one of the best pide spots, which is the Turkish flatbread. See if you can also make it.
As part of my Turkish food tour, Kemal sends me to Karakoy Gulugo for a chance to learn the family secret behind one of the country's most loved exports.
It's like silk. This place is home to the oldest baklava brand in the whole of Turkey, and this factory alone produces over 2 tons of the sweet stuff every single day. So I've arrived, according to Kemal, the best bakery in town. So how do I flip it? Okay. Woo! No, not quite right.
The dough is left to rise for 12 hours, then kneaded to perfection, decorated with meats and cheeses, and then baked in the wood-fired oven.
Extraordinary.
A bit like a pizza, but with a Turkish twist. These pillow-saw flatbreads are devoured morning, noon, and night.
Sheer Turkish delight. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Hello.
Time to join Kemal at his Alansha restaurant in the Machka neighborhood.
So first things first.
So we're gonna have a bunch of little plates. Is that the plan?
Yeah.
This is almost like a science experiment.
The team here mix skill and creativity to experiment with traditional Turkish flavors.
To reflect the cuisine of our landscape, you definitely should have certain level of knowledge about the history. Then you create your own,
Your own spin on it.
Yeah.
The staff were eager to sample our new creations.
Superb. That's the right answer. I've gotten a real taste for Turkish flavors, and I'm hoping Kemal's energy, his creativity, his sheer knowledge will help me with my own experimentation back home.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Şerefe we say, no? Şerefe.
Şerefe.
Şerefe.